In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Spocket. So specifically, I will show you how to use Spocket for Shopify. However, you can also use it for Amazon, eBay, and a bunch of different platforms. The main reason to use Spocket is to help you find products that are currently winning for other dropshipping stores. And the best part of Spocket, and the reason that I personally use it, is their extremely fast shipping time, usually within 1 to 3 days. As you can see, they help you discover top dropshipping suppliers of original US and EU products. So that's the reason that their shipping is so fast, because the products are already in the US and EU. So especially if you are dropshipping in the United States or in Europe, you will have very fast shipping using Spocket. Now, a downside that many people talk about when they talk about Spocket is that the pricing is a monthly subscription. As you can see, it starts at $24 per month. Now, the reason people say that this is a downside is because you can just use AliExpress for free. However, when you use AliExpress, your customers will be way less satisfied because their products will take up to 2 weeks to reach them, and with Spocket it can be as fast as 1 day. So this will give you way better reviews, more customers, because word of mouth is a great tool for your dropshipping store. If a person orders something on your Shopify store or Amazon or wherever, and their product only reaches them within 2 weeks, then they definitely will not promote it to their friends and family. However, if your product arrives within 1 day and they also like the product, which is very likely when you use Spocket because they show you the best products, then they are more likely to actually show it to their friends and family, and you will definitely get this $24 per month back when you just sell about 5 products, depending on your profit margins. So now let's actually get into the Spocket tutorial and how to actually use it. In the description you will find my affiliate link to Spocket, and when you click on that link it will take you to this page. Now here you can start your 14-day free trial. So simply enter your email address right here. Then go and click on Get Started. Now you can also choose to sign up with Google or Facebook. I will use Google. So that's all you need to do to create your account. You don't even need to enter your credit or debit card details. So now simply answer these 3 questions. So first, what category do you want to sell in? So there are a few options here, but I'm just going to say pick for me based on what's trending, since I don't have an ID yet. So then click continue. Now what kind of products are you looking for? So either US or EU suppliers, from AliExpress or white label. Now if you want to do from AliExpress, then you might as well just order from AliExpress directly, although Spocket also helps you with the order fulfillment. So you can consider if it is worth the $24 per month for the order fulfillment yourself. Now you can also do the white label option, which means that you can actually brand your products. For example, if you are selling some kind of skincare product, then you can put your own logo on it. Now I'm just going to select US and EU suppliers, since this is what Spocket is best at. So then click continue. Now which region are you planning to sell in? So global, Europe, North America or Asia. I'm going to select Europe. Now if you want to do United States, for example, just select North America. So now we will need to choose a plan. As you can see, when you bill monthly there are 4 plans, and when you bill yearly there are 3. So in the yearly plan, the cheapest one disappears, which is the starter plan. Now the starter plan is $40 per month. You can see what's included right here. However, when you pay yearly, the pro plan is nearly half of the starter plan when you pay monthly. So I'm going to select yearly and select the pro plan, which will be $24 per month. So billed annually, that will be $288. Now you can also just select monthly if you just want to try it out first, although you also have the 14-day free trial to try it out. And with the unicorn plan it goes from $300 all the way down to $79 per month. So that's also a great deal. Now you can see what's included exactly in each of these plans. For example, if you want to do eBay dropshipping, then you will need to select the Empire plan, since you can see eBay dropshipping is included here. Now the Pro plan includes everything in Starter, so if you want to see what's included in Starter, just go right here. So you get a 0% transaction fee, a 7 million plus product catalog, you can add 25 unique products, you get unlimited stores, you get AliExpress dropshipping and 24/7 chat and email support. And in the Pro plan you get all of this plus this. Then in the Empire plan you get everything that is in the Starter and Pro plan on top of this. And in the Unicorn plan you get everything in these 3 plans plus what you get in this plan. So I'm going to select the Pro plan since I want to do Shopify dropshipping, and for me 250 unique products is enough. So I'm going to click try for free right here. So now you will need to add in your payment details. So simply enter your credit or debit card details or your PayPal. So I'm just going to use my credit card. So now after filling your payment details, you will come right here. So this is the Spocket interface. Here you will see different sections such as women's clothing, jewelry and watches, etc. So these are categories of products that you can find. So first I'm just going to show you how you can actually find products that you can sell on your store. So just looking at the products shown right here, you can see for example this pet tree right here has a listing cost of $35, a shipping fee of $5, and it will be delivered in 1 to 3 days. And as you can see, it can come from Amazon or eBay. And the retail price for this product is $65, which means that you can make a $30 profit margin. So if you find a product that you want to import to your store, you can click add to import list. Now I'm not going to import this product, I'm just going to find a different product. So what I will do is go to the winning products section in the left right here. Now as you can see, in order to use the find winning products section, you need to click unlock this page, and for this you will need to have at least the Pro plan. So if you want to use this section, get the Pro plan. However, if you just find products on TikTok, for example, that you see that people are selling, or there are many different ways to find already trending products, then you can enter that keyword right here. For example, if I want to find something that has to do with gaming, then I can add the keyword game and search. So now here you will see some products, and this product right here has been doing very well, and this is a very popular product currently. Now as you can see, these ones have 8 to 14 days shipping time, so if I want to get faster shipping time, then what I can do is click on sort by and click on shipping time. So now you will see that it shows products with 1 to 3 days shipping time. Now these are not exactly the products that I want to sell. So what I can do is add more filters. So what I will do is keep this to relevance and then click on fast USA shipping. So then it will add the shipping 1 to 3 days. So now you will still find similar products such as this chessboard for $29. And as you can see, this chessboard looks very high quality and this is a good product. So since chess has become more popular recently, I can probably sell this product very well on my store, since many people want to actually get into chess and may want to have a physical chessboard, and this one looks very nice. So now as you can see, on this product you can again get about a $36 profit margin, although you can also sell it for $50 if you want and take the $21 profit margin. Now the shipping time is 1 to 3 business days, and the shipping fee is $5, and worldwide it's free, and it's also 1 to 3 business days. Now an awesome feature of Spocket is that you can order samples. So let's click order samples. Now first we are going to connect our store. So I use Shopify, so I want to add my Shopify store URL right here. Now if you use Amazon or eBay or Wix, you can just select that right here. Now I'll show you how you can find your Shopify URL. By the way, if you want to sign up to Shopify, you can also use the link down in the description to get a 14-day free trial and your first month for only $1. So to find your Shopify URL, just go to your Shopify store and in the bottom left click on settings. Now here you will see your URL, so just go ahead and copy off this and click copy. Then go back to Spocket and paste it in right here and click on connect. So then you will need to log into your Shopify store and click on install right here. So now we have connected our Shopify store. So now we can open up the product again that we want to actually import into our store. So for me it's this wooden chessboard. And now first I'll show you how you can order samples. So click order samples. Now here select a product variation. So here there's only one, and a quantity. I will also select one here. Now you can add a note for the supplier and click continue. Now here just enter your details. So that's your shipping address. Now here go and add your payment method. And then in the last step just go ahead and confirm it, and then this sample will be shipped out to your address, and you can actually use it to take product pictures or to create videos for TikTok or whatever you want to do with it. You can also just order it to see if the product is actually good, and for this one it does look very good. So this product right here, as you can see, says premium. So in order to import this product into your Shopify store, as you can see right now, if I click on add to import list, you can see that I will need to upgrade to a higher plan than the starter plan. Now for the rest of these products, so as you can see if a product is premium when it says premium right here. So if I still want to import a chessboard, I can just search for chessboard and find a similar product. So for example, this one right here is also a chessboard, and if I want to import this one, I can simply click add to import list, and now it will be imported onto my list. So personally, I do like the premium products more, so I would get at least the pro plan so that you can import the premium plans and access the winning products. So as you can see right now, I use the starter plan, which is $40 per month, and the pro plan can be even cheaper than this by almost half when you pay yearly. So I really do recommend getting the pro plan and paying yearly so that you only pay $24 per month, so that you get access to winning products and the premium products, because the premium products are probably the best ones. So now you may be asking, why not just use AliExpress since it's much cheaper, and that's again because of the fast shipping times. So when you sort by premium and fast USA shipping, you will find premium products that have fast shipping. So just find a product you like. For example, if you want to dropship these soap bars, then you can dropship them for just $5 on Spocket with 1 to 3 days shipping time. So you can see they have a bunch of great products right here. So for example, this product right here is $57 on Spocket. If we take a look at this exact same product on AliExpress, you can see this is pretty much the exact same product, and here it's 41 euros, and in US dollars that's about the same price that it is on Spocket right here. However, the main difference is that here you have about 2 weeks shipping time, while here you have 1 to 3 days. So products on Spocket may be a little bit more expensive and you have to pay a monthly subscription. I still think that it is worth it for your dropshipping store because of the fast shipping and the winning products section when you upgrade to the Pro plan. And in the Pro plan you also have the premium products, and when you only sell the premium products, you can be certain that you will have less refunds because these products are certainly premium products and they are 100% certain high quality. So in order to use Spocket for dropshipping, simply find products either yourself by using the filters and the search bar, or by using the winning product section, import them into your import list right here. Then choose the product name, tags, category, collection, the description, variants, images and price, and then click on push to store. Now it has been added to my Shopify store, so now when I open up my Shopify store, you will now see the product right here and it is active. So now I've simply imported this product within just a few clicks from Spocket into my Shopify store. So again, I'll leave my link down in the description that you can use to get your 14-day trial for Spocket. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.